Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you why you need to stick bubble wrap on your windows, and I will also tell you about the advantages of using this method. On frosty days we all want to keep our home warm, but cold finds different ways to get into our homes. And one of the sources of cold in the house is glass. To check this, on a frosty day just touch the glass and you will feel that it is very cold. Each of you has seen this bubble wrap at least once. It is usually used to pack fragile goods. And who didn't like to pop these air bubbles? Now I will show you another way to use it, only in this case the air bubbles should not be damaged, so there is no need to pop them. First clean the glass and spray it with water. Now press the bubble wrap onto the window so that the bubbles touch the glass. One side of the film is smooth, and on the other there are just these air pockets. These are the ones you need to press against the window. The film sticks to the glass very easily. All you need to do is gently straighten it with your hand. The advantage of this method is that it is absolutely free. For example, I had goods in a parcel wrapped in this film. If you don't have it, it is cheap and all you need is to cut it to the size of your glass. And if you didn't know, such heat-saving films are sold. Therefore, if you wish, you can buy a ready-made one to fit the size of your window. Now about the advantages of this method. Firstly, it is cheap. Secondly, thanks to the air bubbles inside, the film insulates the house from cold and drafts, and almost immediately you will feel that the house has become warmer. Thirdly, if condensation collects on your windows, the film will solve this problem. The windows will stop sweating and moisture will not accumulate on the rubber band below and mold will not appear. Well, the fourth advantage is easy operation. You won't have to drill anything. And if you see that the film does not stick well or is peeling off somewhere, stick it with tape. When it gets warmer, all you have to do is remove the film from the window and wipe it. There will be no traces left. Here is a simple life hack with bubble wrap on the window, thanks to which your apartment or house will become warmer. If you liked the advice, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.